Sabay-sabay natin alamin ang mga kaganapan na nangyayari sa ating bansa.
Yo, what's up mga kaibigan? This is I2K po again. Ngayon nandito naman ulit tayo sa channel ni Banat Kapanig TV. Dito naman ulit tayo magbibigay ng komento at reaksyon. Kaya samahan nyo ako guys. Let's go!
Relay sa akin. Ngayon,
sandali po, pakiklaro ho tayo. Yung pagka-relay sa akin, kinasiguro din ho natin kasi hindi ho natin pwede. Mr. President, ito ba'y talagang co-production?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Co-production, okay. Mr. Sonsa, co-production, okay.
So, co-production, marami ho kasing klase ng co-production. Co-production ng gasto sa pagpuproduce ng show, co-production ng hatian sa benta, co-production na ang hawak lang ng network ay yung technical component plus the airtime at yung hawak ng co-producer ay yung content provision.
Okay.
From itong sa kaso nila Mr. Celis at ni Ms. Badoy, ang responsibilidad ng SMNI yung TOC, Technical Operations, at saka yung airtime.
Okay.
Pagkatapos, kung magkakabentahan, siguro magkakahatian, no? Pero wala namang benta sila, so walang hatiin. Ngayon, yung content, dahil sa interactive yung concept ng kanilang programa, tuloy-tuloy yung broadcast.
Apo.
However, kapag ka merong magkakamali sa broadcast, that is the time we will call their attention and if necessary, we impose the sanction.
Okay.
Okay. Now, doon po sa tanong kanina ni Congressman Toby Chanco, binago na po natin yung grievance committee. Gumawa na po tayo ng editorial board ngayon at saka ng ombudsman sa loob ng SMNI. So halimbawa, meron pong observation sila ang MAD. Tapos magsasubmit sila ng complaint. Yan po ay asikasuhin ng editorial board. Katulad po ng nangyari kay Mr. Celis ngayon, sana ipapaliwanag ko kanina, nung mangyari po yon, imbestigahan. Kaya lang, naudlot yung investigasyon, gawa ng dito mismo, inamin niya na meron po siyang pagkakamali. That is why sanction have to be imposed. And we have now the official sanction which we can provide the committee with what the actions taken by SMNI insofar as Celis is concerned.
Which is
suspension.
how long? Bigyan nyo na kami ng kopya,
Opo,
pwede. Can we have a copy, Mr. J. Sonsa?
Opo.
Mr. Sonsa,
Opo.
hindi po ilang taon na ba tumatakbo tong programa ni Eric at saka ni Lorraine?
Mga may 2 years na, no?
Okay, may tanong po ko.
Opo.
Kung yan ay co-production,
Nagtataka lang ako mga kaibigan yung mga sa SMN ay nakasuhan nila mga kaibigan Bakit kaya si Raul Manuel hindi niya may pakulong-kulong yung taon to May mga nagsasabing NPA to, recruiter ng mga estudyante, di ba? Tapos yung mga sinasabi niya noon sa ating mahal na Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, sabi niya, mamamatay tao daw sila. Di ba? Dapat yun yung mga kinukulong mga kaibigan, di po ba?
at ang oras, ilaw, ang airtime sa inyo.
Opo.
Ang talent, sila.
Ang content.
Ang content sila.
Opo.
At silang anchor. Co-production
Opo.
Co-production. Doon tayo ha.
Opo.
Kasi tama kayo, marami iba-iba co-production. Question. 2 years na tumatakbo yung programa. Walang kita. Paano po sila?
Kasi nga po ganito, yung konsepto nung...
Paano sila nakakapagtiis ng 2 taon na wala silang benta, pero araw-araw banat sila ng banat?
Yung banat po nila, hindi ko masasagot.
Okay. Hindi, pag sabi nagtatrabaho po sila, yun po ibig sabihin.
Ngayon, doon po sa ano...
Nagtatrabaho po sila.
Kung titingnan po ninyo yung konsepto ng pagtatayo ng SMNI, talagang para sa bayan.
Sagutin na po na, paano po nila nagagawa yun? Yun ang tanong ko. Kasi it does not make sense.
Opo.
Co-prod. Co-prod, pero sa kanila oras, pag sabi co-prod, hati oras sa kanila,
Opo.
ilaw, lahat sa inyo, technical, sila talento at saka content. Yun lang.
Opo.
Okay? Kasi doon naman kayo nagtatago doon sa waiver. Alam ko naman kung saan kayo pupunta. Pero sige, doon mo tayo sa issue ng co-prod. Na pinapalabas nyo, co-prod to, ergo, hindi namin sagutin kung anong sasabihin nila. Kasi co-prod nagtatago kayo. Hindi nyo tinawag black timer, hindi nyo tinawag iba. Ang sinabi nyo, co-prod. Okay. Benta, hati. 2 years, walang benta.
Sila po, wala po.
In short, wala silang income.
Opo.
Hindi po kaya pinapaswerdohan ng SMNI sila. Kaya nabubuhay sila mas walang revenue.
Sweldo, wala akong alam na sweldo.
Hindi.
Kung
Mr. Chair,
honorario,
can you please answer? Kung sweldo ba
Mr.
siya sa inyo, hindi?
Mr. Chair, point of clarification.
Yes. Yes. The Honorable, yes. Before that, the Honorable Gomez was wanted to be acknowledged. But before that, sweldo ba o hindi? Attorney, sagot lang.
Talent fee, Mr. Chair.
Meron.
Talent fee, not
Okay.
sweldo.
$100,000.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yung sabi sa kanya.
Per our co-production agreement,
Oh.
and the copy of the co-production agreement is already with the committee, Mr. Chair.
Okay, the Honorable Gomez and the Honorable J.J. Suarez.
Mr. Chair, would it be possible that the President answer your questions?
Okay.
Kasi siya yung talaga dapat nakaka-oversee ng lahat ng operations ng network. Hindi mo naman tinatapon sa consultant mo lang. Yung consultant, binibigyan ka na ng tip kung anong pwede mong gawin. But, if your day-to-day operations, it should be the President who should answer you. Yeah, he's the responsible person of that network.
Thank you very much, the Honorable Gomez. The Honorable J.J. Suarez.
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Actually, I do share the sentiments of Representative Gomez regarding the who should be the one to answer. With respect lang dito kay Mr. Sonsa, sir, you mentioned earlier that you're serving as consultant for SMNI.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. When did you begin your consultancy with SMNI?
Just recently, Mr. Chairman.
Just
Just recently.
How long?
how long ago, sir?
Exact March 20.
March 20.
Opo.
March 20. Do you have any documents that would attest to
Yes.
your
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
can you please submit this?
We will
to-
submit it, Mr.
Submit it off before the day ends.
We will.
Thank
and
you
as
very much.
consultant, Mr. Sonsak, will you be kind enough to share? Are you receiving any monetary benefits from SMNI?
Are you?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And would you be kind enough to detail to us how much you're receiving as consultant?
The record would speak for itself, Mr. Chairman. We will submit the record.
Okay. Can you just tell us, since there's a record, just tell us.
It's a sizable amount, Mr. Chairman.
Which is?
This is $1 million.
How much?
$1 million
Per?
per month.
Per month.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
So if the documents are there, Mr. Sonsa, can you,
Okay.
Mr. Sonsa, since the documents are there, can you be?
Silence is requested. The Honorable J.J. Suarez
Yes.
has the floor.
I think you referred to some documents that you were looking at, Mr. Sonsa. Can you please furnish the?
Yes, we will.
Yes. Okay.
Mr.
Because
Chairman.
we just wanted to determine whether you're a consultancy and how long you have been a consultant. Kasi we've been having these hearings for the past 3 weeks at ngayon lang po kayo lumitaw kaya medyo nakakagulat po ang pagdalo ninyo sa komitiba. But nevertheless, maraming salamat po sa mga ibinahagi ninyo.
Thank you very much, Mr.
Mr. Chair,
J.J. Suarez.
Mr. Chair.
The Honorable Toby Jang.
again with the indulgence of Congressman Gutierrez, kailan po nagsimula yung grievance committee tsaka yung internal ombudsman ng SMNI?
President, Mr. President, kayo na po sumagot. Pag ikaw, alam niyo naman po yan.
Oh, Mr. President, why are you consulting
The
someone
consultant.
else?
The President is consulting the consultant. Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
kasi yung transition period po, ngayon po ginawa namin ang grievance,
Okay. Anyway, Mr.
So,
President.
Mr. Chair, so ngayon, for the record, ngayon lang po sisimulan yung grievance committee tsaka yung internal ombudsman.
That's correct. Yeah. Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Na-suspend si Eric kung ngayon na pa binubuo yan. Hindi ba nakakapagtaka? Nagbubuo kayo ng wala pa kayong grupo, wala pa kayong formal structure, tapos wala kayong rules. Tapos, suspendin nyo na si Eric ng isang buwan, isang taon.
Nasa manual po.
Wala pa. Paano nyo ginawa yun?
Actually po, Mr. Chair, nasa manual po yung grievance committee po.
Oh, sabi, pero tinatanong namin, alam po ninyo, hindi tayo matatapos kung hindi tayo magdiretsuhan. Sabi nyo kanina, wala. Nagbubuo pa kayo in transition, pero may mga nasususpindi na kayo. Paano po yan? Paano nyo gagawa yun? Maski sa manual yan, kung wala naman buhay yung manual,
Nahuhuli sila sa mismong sinasabi nila mga kaibigan. Ano?
papel ho yan, no? Pero you have to put life to that piece of paper. And you have not. And you've suspended it already, Eric. So where's due process there?
Mr. Chair, and nung
Baka magkaroon ng NLRC question pa. Yes,
nung tinanong natin si Attorney Tolentino noon, ang sabi po niya, wala silang grievance, meron sila ethics board. Di ba kaya nga napunta doon sa sino ang composition ng ethics board? Tapos ngayon po, sinasabi na nasa manual nila. Pero nung sagot po nila last week, wala po sila noon. So alin po ba talaga ang totoo doon? Kailan ba talaga nagsimula yung grievance committee, tsaka kailan po talaga nagsimula yung kanilang internal ombudsman, Mr. Chair?
The veteran lawmaker is raising his hand.
Thank you, Your Honor.
To save Attorney Rolex.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, we are transitioning from the grievance committee to the ethics committee. In the case of Eric Celis, I understand that it's still the grievance committee. Now we have the members and the constitution of the grievance committee. And they met to determine the case of Eric Celis.
Okay. So anyway, Attorney Rolex, medyo, anyway.
Mr. Chair, last na lang po.
The Honorable Toby Janko, parang hindi ko maintindihan yun.
Hindi, lagpas 10 minutes na po. Yung kopya po nung reprimand kay Professor Badoy.
Yes. May we have the copy of the reprimand. 10 minutes has passed. You're supposed to Viber. Ma'am, Board of Director. Di ba, meron po kayo dapat i-submit.
Yes po. We're follow up.
Okay. Well, we will not, hindi natin tapos itong araw ito.
Mr. Chairman.
Pakibilang.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes, the Honorable Jopoy. Wait.
Mr. Chairman,
Let's make it clear. The Honorable Ramon Gutierrez still has the floor. Are you done?
Mr. Chair, not yet, but I
Because
could,
you've given way to everybody, but are you done?
Pwede naman, Mr. Chair, my next line of questioning would be picking up from a previous question. So okay lang naman, Mr. Chair. I defer to the good...
Yes, because we will have ready to go for the vote na of the resolution. That's why I'm just allowing all of this discussion for clarity so that we will be clear as to how the members will vote in today's hearing for the committee report. Though this has been approved, we're just talking the committee report here. Yes, the Honorable
Yes,
Jopoy.
Mr. Chairman. Can we request for a copy of the contract that was manifested earlier?
At yun nga po mga kaibigan, dito po nagtatapos ang ating reaction video. Muli ako po si I2K ng Sundalo ng Tunggalo. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta. Peace out.